everyone, how you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 15 official release and can we expect new features in the final build of iOS 15. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hype. Let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. So, Apple will release the official version of iOS 15 on Monday. With today, the day I'm uploading this video is 18 September and Apple will release it on 20th. Next week will be mad. I will be uploading a lot of videos related to iOS 15, so consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on notifications to watch those because I swear you do not want to miss those videos. So if you have not watched my iOS 15 RC videos, I have link in description, you can watch that. And what the thing is that basically the build we have on the RC of iOS 15, it will be the same for the official version. What it means is it might be disappointing for you guys that we will have the same build, but unfortunately we will have the same build, and which means that we will not have any new features, that we have not seen any exclusive feature or anything. I highly doubt that we will even have more new wallpapers in the official version except for the iOS 15 one, as if we would have gotten the official new Apple wallpapers as of now, it should have been in the RC. But unfortunately, it is not in the RC, which means we have to wait a little bit. Most probably, it may be out when the iOS 15.1 rolls out. But still, it is not really sure, and you should take this information with a grain of salt. Now, talking about how have the iOS 15 RC going on for me. I have been using my device on the iOS 15 RC for a couple of days now, and my experience have been pretty darn good, I would say, except for the battery life. The battery life on the RC is somewhat disappointing because I did not expected it to be like this disappointing. You know, my expectations and the reality thing, we should not really have, to be honest, a lot of expectations from Apple these days, especially from all of that Apple Watch thingy happened recently. You know what I'm talking about. So the iOS 15 is not really the best in terms of battery life as of yet, but it is much better than the betas. About 30 minutes extra on my device, 30 to 35 minutes extra on my device on the RC, which is good. I'm not saying it's bad, but I expected it to be even more better in terms of a battery life. Talking about the bugs, I have not had even a single bug. Like, I would appreciate this thing a lot. Like, Apple, hats off. You have done a really great job in terms of managing all these things. It is a record. I have not had any major bug, even in betas, except for the Twitter bug and the small crashes and all. I have not had any major bug as of yet on iOS 15 that it would be so catastrophic that I have to just not wait a minute. I have to just downgrade my device to iOS 14. This happened last year when I was on iOS 14 beta. My banking app and all were not working, which was the reason I downgraded to iOS 12. I mean iOS 13. So this year the story is quite a bit different, and I really like this that Apple have been focusing more on improving the device stability, and the bugs are barely here now. Next week will be mad. iPhone 13, iPads, a lot of stuff coming up. Also my exams are coming up, so I can't really say that I will be able to upload a lot next week. I know it is sad, right? A lot of things happening next week, but your boy won't be able to post videos. I know that's sad. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I really respect you for watching this video till the end, to be honest. I have no idea how you managed to bear me for 4 minutes straight. Like, you are a legend, fam. Peace out. Have a great day, everyone. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed. I will meet you all next week with hopefully banger videos. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.